Rave features, Rave, start Rave, launches. We have the new select data screen, so we can load for group analysis. So let's click that. Note here, only one electrode is going to be loaded. Click load. Loads nice and fast. Group analysis. We can hide the module windows. You see that we have all the question marks ready to go, so we can click on one of these, take you to there with our nice URL, and we can create the pages if you're logged in. Go back, load up a bunch of data, remove the 2020s. These are a lot smaller than the other data files, so they'll load quickly, but if you look in the bottom right, you do see the file that's being loaded. We'll trim that so that it only shows the name rather than the full path. Data are loaded, condition groups are automatically loaded. Analysis window is fine. Build model, we'll just add in condition group, run analysis, fitting the model. Go ahead and hide that. Once we have our model, we get the power over time, we get our individual electrodes plot per condition, LME results, and we also can get the results from each electrode on the surface. Let's go ahead and open that in a new window. You can hide it here. As with the input panels, all the output panels have their little question mark that will also take you right to Open Wetware. Newly added, we can open the controls here, visualize, let's say, the A versus V difference. So, not surprisingly, for the most part, A is bigger than V. We can click on the rows in the table, and this is a lot faster than it used to be. I think it can be made even faster. One of the tricks is in our plot, if we don't actually need to go all the way out to 2, we can reduce the computational burden here by going, do like -2 to 0.1. Now when we select rows, it's a lot faster. And we can also now finally double click on electrodes here. It sends it back and graphs the selected electrode with the bar graph, and we can change those things here. I think it probably makes sense just to fill. We don't really need to see the points, but we can show the means if we want, and maybe connect the means, connect points, whatever you want to do. And so you can find there's one electrode there that actually likes V only better than A. I don't know if that's a depth electrode or just badly localized electrode, but actually shows this V greater than AV pattern and an onset that's more similar with visual onset rather than auditory onset. But you can still do things like sort by condition group and grab a bunch of electrodes that show a big effect. And this graph will update. It's updating each time we click, which is why you get a little bit of a lag for each click.